Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on any of your iPad on any iOS or iPadOS version, be it iOS 17. As you can see it right here, I have the iOS 17 iPadOS version on this iPad. The method shown in this video is completely free for everybody. Also, I will show you the one-click method to get WhatsApp on your home screen with WhatsApp icon, so that you can simply tap it and that will open WhatsApp right away anytime. As of making this video, there is no native WhatsApp app for iPad, but surely it will come in the future. So first of all, open Safari on your iPad and then go to the official website for WhatsApp web.whatsapp.com. Alright, web.whatsapp.com. Hit go. Wait for the page to load and you will see this page with this QR code. Also, if you don't see this page, you can simply hit this AA above. Alright, and then you can simply request the desktop site from here. Like it is showing me request mobiles website because I am already on the desktop website, but if it does not show for you, simply request desktop website. Also, you can simply go to website settings from here and simply toggle request desktop website from here. Alright, so please turn it on and then hit done. Now before I show you how to scan it and all, simply hit the share button above and then simply tap add to home screen. Alright, add to home screen and then simply rename it to WhatsApp. Alright, then hit add. Alright, so now you will see WhatsApp on your home screen. Simply open it and it will automatically take you to the QR code. Now, leaving the iPad on the QR code page, simply go to your iPhone or your Android from which you want to use WhatsApp on your iPad and simply open WhatsApp. Then go to settings, then go to linked devices, then simply go to link a device. Okay, and simply scan the code. Alright, as you can see, the sync is done. Also guys, in case you have an Android, it is very simple. You will have to go to chats. You will see a burger menu right here. Just tap on it and then select link a device and simply scan the QR code and you will be good to go. Now let's move to the iPad. Alright guys, on my iPad you can see conversations are properly synced and I have the WhatsApp on my iPad. You can see it is simply one click right now. So we will test it by sending a message to myself. Alright, so as you can see, it is working just fine without any problem. Alright, so let's test it once again. Alright, so it is working just well. Now guys, to show you that the one-click home screen WhatsApp launch method works, I will simply quit out of everything. I will simply restart this iPad once, so to show you that this works. Alright, so I am back after a restart and no apps are open. I will simply tap on the home screen icon of WhatsApp and you will see it will load right away. Alright, so without any problem, you can see everything is working just fine. I will test the chat one last time for you. Alright, so messages are being delivered and received just fine. That's all for this video. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.